lipless, and what else? Probably a jig. Let's go. Not much boats on the water. About to launch the kayak. Get out. Alright guys, so we're paddling to our first spot. Look at this place. These houses are fat. Beautiful. I think we're gonna head out that way towards the cove. I've seen people catch some big smallies out there. So let's make our way and test our luck. I'm gonna fish this little rock ledge and then make my way into that cove, but look how nice this is. I heard from a few locals that the fishing's been tough. Fuck, it's been tough for bass for me. But let's see. I'm gonna fan cast this whole little cove here with this slipless. I might change up colors. They're not biting this craw. Which I'm surprised. But there's grass lines there, look. Last time we fished here, it was in the summer. I caught a couple nice sized bass in that cove, but the water was all the way up to the trees. Come on, guys. What do we got? Oh, got a nice largie. Look at that. Come on. Look at that guy. Here we go. Yes, sir. Check it out, guys. On the lipless crankbait, the craw. It's a nice one. Get this guy unhooked there. Check it out. Nice one. I would say about 1.5 pounds. Get a picture and then get this guy released. Two pounds, 8 ounces. Nice one. All right, let's get this guy out of here. Thanks, buddy. Get a nice release on this guy. All right, he's ready. There he goes. Dang, look at these freaking houses. Look at that. 4 balconies. Who needs that much? Got another one too on the other underspin. GoPro's charging, but just caught another chunker. Look at these pre-spawn bass. Freaking fat. This one's gotta be at least 3 pounds. Let's go weigh this sucker. I don't want to stress him out too much. Let's get him in the water, but I want to get a weight. Here we go with the weight. He's about 2.8. He's about the same size as that other one. Let's get a release on this guy. Nice, healthy, chunky bass. There he goes.